It's a silver sparkle. I am so excited. I want to show you my apartment. Come on. First we climb up the ladder. Today I'm going to show you Adventures of Silver Sparkle. First, I'm going to show you my apartment. This is my bedroom. Yay! I got the comfiest pillow. This is my living room. Let's go up, up, up. My kitchen. Yeah! My diamonds. I can open it. Go in it. And I can go to different LPS places. Open it back up. And there's my kitchen. There's my little holder. There's my secret key. Monster. Okay, let's start the story. Once there was the marker like to scribble everywhere, especially on kitties. No. Then the kitties had to have a bath. Then there was a cute little kitten named Silver Sparkle. She liked to have fun. She rolled the marker away. Pushed it and pushed it, and now it's down. Yay! Then she went to the store. She got a grabber, a huge one. Kept him pushing and caught every bad guy. And the end. P.S. Do not eat my ham. All ham's mine.